Hi everybody, welcome back to Ozark Mountain Goats. We need to finally put Sylvie back with her mama Fancy, and we tried this maybe 8 or 10 days ago and weren't very successful. Even though we had stopped milking her, she still had some milk in her bag, and when we put Sylvie back with her, Fancy was standing and letting her nurse. I don't know if she was getting anything, but we were afraid that she might stimulate milk production, so we separated them again. Well, it's 8 or 9 days later, and Fancy has literally shriveled up to nothing. Her teats have shrunk, her udder is basically non-existent, so I think we are good to go. It's very flaccid, there's no milk left in there, so that's what we plan to do this morning, is get them reunited and get the herd all back together. So Fancy's bag and teats have shrunk up considerably, but as an added measure, we're going to add some tape to her teats and see if that helps a little bit. We tried it last year with Maya and she pulled them off, but anyway, it might deter her a little bit.
Painter's tape.
Not super sticky. Okay, here we go. Come on, Sylvie. She bypassed her mom and went straight to the feeder. Sylvie's been crying all morning, which is really unusual for her, so I'm wondering if she might not be in heat. Churro.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Luna has figured out how to squeeze through that little hole and get into that stall. Such a brat.
Where's the little ones?
They're in the stall.
They went back over to eat?
No, they're in the stall.
Looks to me like Luna went over there to eat.
There's Luna right there.
Oh, that must be.
It's Casey.
Yeah, it must be.
Oh, they're happy. Get to run instead of being stuck on that side over there. Juliet, you pretty girl. Everybody's all excited. Come on, girls. Together again. Even Charo gets excited. They're funny. They're so happy. Well, Sylvie hasn't even attempted to nurse yet. She's not even around her mama. So, hopefully, everything will be just fine. Because Charo should be in heat in a couple days, and we got to get that other side prepared. Get that doghouse out of there, clean it out, get it ready to go. Oh. She can't fit in that feeder anymore. She's too big. Are you happy to be released, little Sylvie? Get to be with everybody. Those junior girls have to be kind of reintroduced to the rest of them. There'll be some battles going on today. Well, Fancy's still got her tape on, and Sylvie has shown no signs of trying to nurse. So I think we are good. Okay, everybody, we are going to call that a win, and I think we are good to go. So thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, we will catch you later.